Welcome to the next video in our fourth group of instructional videos in our Paperless Teacher tutorial series. In the previous video, you learned how to grade attendance and participation. Now we will show you how to create and grade homework. After opening the app, you will see the Semester Manager screen. If you followed our previous videos, you have a semester and class of your own creation, and students in that class as well. Tap on the semester and then on the class that you would like to work with. You will now be on the At a Glance page of your class, with the different class functions visible on the lower bar. You can see the Homework button as the second button on the bar. But before we go there, let's take a look at a very important feature on this page, the Score Ratio section of the app. We access this section by tapping the % sign on the top bar, right-hand side. On this page, we calculate the weighted value of all the work in a class. Right now, we are going to focus on homework, which is between attendance and participation at the top. The automatically listed total value is 10%, but it can be changed to suit your needs. Some teachers may not have homework as a graded element in a class, in which case they can enter 0% in this field. For now, we will leave the total value at 10%. So that this is clear, everything within the category of homework is weighted equally. If there are 20 homework units in a class with a total homework value of 10% of the total grade, then each homework unit will automatically be calculated as having a mathematical value of half of 1 point of the final grade. That is, 10 points of the final grade divided by the 20 homework units. If homework units are later deleted or added, the final value of each individual homework unit will automatically be recalculated. The next step is to establish the values for submitted, not submitted, and late homework. Different teachers and school systems have different criteria for giving partial credit. For now, we will leave the automatic settings. Let's save any changes by tapping the Done button on the top bar right-hand side. We are back at the At a Glance page. To access the homework page, tap on the second button on the lower bar. You will see a mostly blank page. To create your first homework unit, tap on the plus sign on the top bar right-hand side. There are 4 different fields to enter: homework name, description, assigned date, and due date. We will first enter the homework name, Worksheet 1. Then we will enter a brief description of the homework. Match the vocabulary words from Chapter 1 to the correct definitions. The assigned date, September 18th, and the due date, 1 week later, on September 25th. After entering everything, we will tap the Done button on the top bar, right-hand side. We are now back at the main homework page, where we see the newly created homework. To grade the homework, tap on it. We will now see a page that shows the information for the homework at the top, followed by a list of all students in the class. If you don't have any students in this list, you can go back and watch our tutorial video 2.1 to learn how to add students to your class. We can now enter which students have done their homework. We will mark 1 submitted, 1 not submitted, and 1 late. Now you might say, what if I want to really grade the homework, not just give a certain percentage of credit automatically? Easy. Let's tap on the score for the first student. We will replace the 100 with an 87 and tap the Done button on the keyboard. Next, let's tap the late score. We will replace the 50 with the 73 and tap the Done button on the keyboard. The work is still marked as being on time or not, and we have an individual grade for it. To return to the main homework page, we can tap the Homework button on the bottom bar. To see how your semester is developing, tap the At a Glance button on the bottom bar next to the Homework button. You will now see your newly created homework assignment listed under the 3 lessons. After you have created several homework units, the last, current, and next homework unit will be shown on this page so that you can quickly see what you need to take care of in class today. You now know how to create and grade homework and can now move on to the other videos in this level of our video tutorial series, in which we will discuss grading assignments and tests. Thanks for watching. Check out our other video tutorials on YouTube or visit our website at okproapps.com.